Monday morning, Andrew's at it again. Oh, hold on. I gotta wait. It's gotta focus better. I gotta do that shot again.
I fucking hate that.
It's figuring shit out. Wastegate dump to finish off the piping needed for Dave's car.
If you listen, you can hear the ocean. Actually, it's more like, sounds like a toilet flushing. Weird.
That is weird.
Yeah.
Huh, you're pretty weird, dude. Luke brought his Stagia in for an alignment and he's gonna air it out for us. Out in the shed. We're in the shed doing rings, lad. E36. Fuck off. Pockets. Pockets. Hey! What? Would you keep it down? Totally not car related, but definitely worth your time. It's a good friend of mine and also a customer, Tom. And he has a very neat trade or skill set.
This is a book. It's from the 1500s. It's German. We're doing a sort of a German wooden board binding. Very cool. It's worth about 100 grand. It's got these beautiful plates.
It's a $100,000 book.
Yeah.
You can get a few of these cars for this book.
It's got these really cute, quirky illustrations. It's a great thing. Look at that.
It's amazing.
1580, I think.
This is what they were up to.
Yep, it's just in the back of my car.
Wow. Yeah, just in the back of your car, just hanging out.
Got some pigskin on it. It's gonna be nice.
Ooh, that's good pigskin. That's good scrimshaw. It's not over. That's not all.
What is this? A book. Also from the 1500s.
Does that one contain spells?
This one's got really, really nice
Wow.
Handwritten letters.
Oh my god.
Each of these is an animal, so there's about 150 goats in here.
What, dude? Wow.
Wow. Flippers and all, wow.
Well, we had a super busy week. Did not get nearly as much filming done as we wanted to. So I figured I'd do a little bit of a walk around in the shop and show you a few of the cars that we have going on and some of the pending projects that are outside. Hopefully it's not too boring and it's kind of interesting, but it'll sort of give you guys an idea of what to look for in future vlogs and what we'll be working on later on. Got Matt Hubscher's convertible in here. It's in to kind of get finished up. The swap was done a long time ago, so it needs a big update and refresh. And then he's got a bunch of aero for it and some cool wheels. Andrew finished all of the intercooler stuff for Dave's car, and also did the wastegate dump. And there it is from underneath. And Andrew's working on fabricating some tension rod brackets to update the tension rods in this X7 wagon to S13 style. It does have S13 lower control arms at the moment. And consequently enough, the owner of this car is also named Andrew. So Andrew is working on Andrew's car. And Ben's just working on finishing up the exhaust on David's competition car. Now we're out in the yard. It's very bright out here. I'll start off with this car. This is Andrew's Drift S14. This car is relatively set up. He's got a S14 SR running a Link standalone, S15 turbo, and some other good supporting mods. This is a bit of an interesting swap. Andrew did all the handiwork, the fabricating and the wiring on this one. It's an S13 hatchback powered by a BMW V8. And this car does run and drive. It's just awaiting a Link standalone, and then it'll run and drive a lot better.
Okay.